Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So let me tell you, I looked a lot more put together like 5 minutes ago. Zach and I filmed the little snack box of the month Spanish snacks unboxing, and I was like, okay, I'm done. Took off my earrings, took off my lashes, was about to remove my makeup, and I was like, oh my god, I meant to film my BOXYCHARM. So while he's getting us something to eat, I am going to unbox my BOXYCHARM Premium for the month of April. I'm really excited about it. I just wish that I had remembered because I literally look like I have 0 lashes right now. Anyway, I'm going to unbox this for you. So Premium, of course, is the $35 a month box. I've already done my BOXYCHARM versus Ipsy Plus. So if you haven't seen that on my channel, be sure to go check it out. It should be my previous video. I'm so forgetful right now. So the theme is sweet treats, kind of cute. So let's see what I got. First up, we got something from Soleil. Let Your Hair Shine Hydro Line Paraben Free Leave-In Conditioner. Has jojoba oil, vitamin E, omega-3 and 9. So I'll definitely give this a try. My hair could probably use the extra hydration right now for sure, since I am bleaching it. I'm about to get it bleached again soon. But I do like that it's paraben free as well. That's a really good thing. So it says this goes for $25. I feel like that's pretty reasonable for, you know, a lot of hair care brands. Next up, we got the Incredible. This is by Nails Inc. Incredible, that brand. Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. This goes for $24, and it looks like it's 2 glosses, but it looks like it has like stones in them. Here are the glosses, just in the little container. It looks like it has like a crystal roller and also little bits in it. So I don't know what this is supposed to do for you. I'm not really like a crystal kind of person. Not to say that I don't like it. It's just never been like my thing. It says that they're 2 crystal ball lip glosses infused with real crystals to stimulate lip circulation and wake up the chakras. So anyway, these look pretty cool. It reminds me of something that from Sephora collection, I actually got it, was a little like fillable roller for oil that had rose quartz in it. I already have a little gloss on and lipstick, so I don't want to get that all dirty right away. So I'm just rolling it on my hand. It feels like it has some shine to it. It doesn't feel sticky though, maybe just a little teensy bit, but not very sticky. Okay, I'm excited for this. It's interesting. It's definitely not something that if I saw it in a store, I would pick up. Not to say that I won't enjoy it, but it's just not something that I would immediately go, oh, I'll really need that. So $24 for 2 of these, and considering what they're made of and what they include, I feel like that's pretty reasonable, 12 bucks a piece. All right, next up we have something from Wander Beauty, Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. So this, of course, is the Wander Beauty box. All right, this goes for $68. It's got a 1% retinol. It says to amp up your skin's natural renewal cycle and help diminish appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and texture. Has squalane, peptides to hydrate, and it has dragon's blood. It helps to soothe skin from environmental stressors. There used to be I think it was Peter Thomas Roth product that had dragon's blood in it that I really liked, and I feel like that just kind of went away. I'm pretty sure that's a fruit, by the way. So it actually looks kind of like a creamy serum. 1% retinoid, and you put this on clean skin, so you want to be sure to, of course, use this overnight. And it's called Do Not Disturb. I actually really like the packaging. I think it's cute. It's a little like bougie. I'm sure probably not recyclable, but very cute aesthetically. Probably my favorite item so far. All right, next we got the Dew of the Gods Froze Iced Rose Body Scrub. Blessed by a Buddhist monk to inspire pride and confidence. I mean, okay, pride and confidence. Okay, I'm all with you on that. But this goes for $22. It's like a little pack. It's rose wine, sugar, and ice. And this is a body scrub. I mean, that's interesting, I guess. I'll definitely have to just pop this in my shower and give it a try. It's kind of cute. I mean, it's, again, probably not something that I would go into a store and think, oh, I have to have this. But I'll use it. We'll see. It is cool that it's just like this little packet. It smells good. All right, next up we got a NARS blush, which I'm always excited for NARS. They go for $30, and of course it's a blush. I don't really need to read into that too much. I like NARS blushes. I find that they're pigmented. I find that they're long lasting, and NARS just in general I feel has good quality. I haven't looked at the shade yet. This is Gaiety, which I don't think I have this shade. Oh, it's a little bright. I find that blushes like this that are like kind of a bright, almost neon looking, actually look really pretty on the skin. It's just like once you look at it in the pan, and you're like, oh, that's kind of crazy, but on it'll be really nice. And especially I think this will complement my skin tone. So I'm excited for that. Never going to complain about a NARS product. And we got one more product from Marc Jacobs. This is the Sequins Glam Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow. I got the shade Shimmy Dip, which when these came out, people weren't really like gravitating towards them a lot. I don't feel like they were insanely popular by any means. We have like a little golden type of shade. So here's the packaging. I feel like these probably wouldn't be in subscription boxes, except for I don't think that they really sold well. Just my 2 cents though. So this is, I mean, honestly, I like Marc Jacobs a lot, don't get me wrong, but I don't feel like this is really doing anything that spectacular. If you had seen this before like Stila Magnificent Metals came out, you would probably have thought, wow, that's really pretty. But now in the day of like every makeup brand having some type of liquid glitter, it's not anything that incredibly special. These also go for $26. I do think that's very high. Yeah, so I don't know. I've never been like insanely intrigued by these, but since I have it, I will use it and test it out and see how it goes, because you know, on a swatch, we don't know the full story. I kind of blended it out a little bit, which honestly makes it look a little bit prettier in my opinion, because it kind of shows off the little silver flecks. We'll see how that goes. So I don't know, this I feel like I'm not like super into this box. If I were building my own box, these would not be the products that I would pick. Really the only things that I'm very excited for are the Wander Beauty Overnight Concentrate and then also the NARS blush. So I still got my money's worth, but I don't feel like this is a tremendous deal. But just to recap, we got those two favorites. We got the hair mask, we got the Marc Jacobs glitter, Froze body scrub, and then the incredible gloss rollers. You know, I feel like it's pretty good, it's decent, but I'm really just happy for a couple pieces in this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Thank you so much for hanging with me for a little bit. I appreciate it tremendously. Give me a thumbs up if you like subscription boxes. Ooh, there's a hair. And you feel like they need to stay on my channel, make sure you show some love. And that's it. I hope you guys have an amazing night, day, month, year, and I'll talk to you later. Bye guys.